Hello my dear viewer, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the lesson number 4 of grade 1 EVS, that is delicious food. If you want lesson number 1, 2, 3, I have put the link in the description box. You can go and refer from there. In this lesson, we will know the food that is available in our locality, and we will identify the food grains available in our locality, and we will identify the food which we eat. See, first ma'am, are there food items that you have eaten in the pictures given below? If yes, put right mark in the box. Here some of the food items are there here in the below pictures. You have to put right mark for the food items which you have eaten. Okay, first see here, idli and chutney. Have you eaten this idli and chutney? If yes, you have put right mark. See in the second picture, ragi chapati and vegetable palya. Have you eaten this? Yes. Okay, we will put right mark. Then here in the third one, fried rice. Have you eaten fried rice? Yes. Okay, we will put right mark. In the fourth one, chapati. If you have eaten this, you will put right mark. Of course, we have eaten chapati, we will put right mark. See here in this, dosa. Yes, right mark. See, what is this, children? Do you know what is this? Yes, this is ragi lump. Have you eaten this? Yes. Okay, right mark. Fish. Fish fry, have you eaten? Yes, right mark. Eggs. Have you eaten eggs? Yes, right marks. Then this is salad. Have you eaten salad? Yes, we will say kosambari. No, that one it is. Yes, we will put right mark. Bread. Yes, we will put right mark. Milk, yes, we will put right mark. Puri, yes, we will put right mark. So all these are the food items which we eat in our daily life regularly, right? Yes, next we will go to the next. Look at the pictures. Put right mark in the space provided if you know the food. Here some of the food items are given. If you know this, you have to put right mark. Okay. See children. First is, what is this? This is rice. Yes. So here, do you know rice? Yes. Every day we eat rice. No, from the rice we will make. We will eat rice every day. No, children, as a lunch and dinner. Okay. So we will cook this and we will eat rice. And rice is a grain. Okay. So we will put right mark. Second one, ginger. Ginger. Yes. We will put right mark. Ginger is a vegetable. Yes. Next, corn. Corn, we will put right mark. Next, milk. Yes, we will put right mark. We know the milk, right? Yes. Next, meat. Yes, we will put right mark. Next is, which vegetable is this, children? This is radish. Yes, we will put right mark. Next, this one. This is tomato. Okay, we will put right mark because we have to put right mark for the food which we know. Next is fish. You know the fish? Yes, we will put right mark. Next, honeybee. We will put right mark. Grapes. We will put right mark. Curd. Yes, curd also we will put right mark. What is this? Potato. Yes, we will put right mark. This one, onion. We will put right mark. Carrot. We will put right mark. This one, ragi. This is grains. Okay. We will put right mark. This one, wheat. From which we will make the chapati, no? Wheat flour. Yes, that is wheat. We will put right mark. This one, papaya. We will put right mark. This is egg. We will put right mark. This is spinach, green leafy vegetables, curry leaves. Okay, we will put right mark. Now see, the outer circle consists of food we eat. The inner circle consists of the items used to prepare the food. Match them by drawing lines. As I have told you, rice, ragi, wheat are the grains from which we make the food. Okay. Inside there are the food items which are used to prepare the food, and on the outside box, on the outside line circle, there are the food items which are prepared by using the inside things. Okay, see, first rice. Rice is used to prepare rice. We will put match for this. Idli, from which we prepare idli? From rice itself. So we will mark for the rice. From ragi, what do we prepare? We prepare, as I have told you, ragi lump. We will match for ragi lump. And also, see here, obit is there. This is ragi chapati. We will match this. Next, curd. Curd by using milk. We will match for milk. Then this one. This also used by prepare rice. Then ragi lump over. Then this one, chapati is used by wheat. Shall I mark for wheat? Okay. This one, this is also I will mark for wheat. Okay. So these are all the things which we need to prepare the food. Okay. Now tell me, which are the dishes prepared in your home on day of festival? On the day of festival, we will not prepare chapati, idli or rice or lagirams, etc. We prepare special dishes on the days of festivals, right? Like pulao, biryani, sheer khurma, obit and dal we will prepare. No children? Yes. Next. See, look at the pictures given below. Put square mark for the food that can be eaten raw and round mark for the food that has to be cooked and eaten in the boxes provided. Here we have to put box for the food which can be eaten without cooking. Raw means without cooking. And we have to put circle for the food which we have to cook and eat. First is cucumber. Cucumber we can eat raw. That can be eaten raw. So we will put square. Next is radish. Radish can be cooked also, eaten raw also, that can be cooked and eat also. I will put circle. It can cook and eat. Banana, raw. We will not cook banana, no? So I will put square. Rice, circle. It have to cook and eat. Brinjal, we should also cook and eat. Then fish also we have to cook and eat. Corn also we have to cook and eat. Mango we cannot cook and eat. It can be eaten raw. So I will put square. Apple also we cannot cook and eat. It can be eaten raw. So I will put for square here. Okay. Next, see here beta. Put right mark for your favorite dish. Tell why that dish is favorite. See here some of the dishes are there, that is jalebi, laddu, dosa and bread. In this you have to put right mark for your favorite dish and you have to tell why do you like that dish. Okay, it is your choice. You can put wherever you want, you can put right mark. Next, put right mark for your favorite fruit. Tell why you like it. Banana, grapes, mango, pomegranate. Which is your favorite fruit, children? For that you can put right mark and you have to tell why do you like it. Okay. Then put right mark for the vegetables you like. Tell why you like it. Here some vegetables are there. Brinjal, carrot, ladyfinger and tomato. In this, which brinjal do you like? You have to put right mark and you have to tell why do you like it. Okay. Now, do you have plants and vegetables and fruits in your house? If yes, name them. If you have plant of any fruits and vegetables in your home, you have to say. And if you don't have, it's okay. If you have, yes, if you have to name them. In my home, I have potato plant and chili plant. And outside my house, there is a papaya tree and coconut tree. Likewise, if you have any plants of vegetables and fruits near your home, you can say, okay. See here, after that, here you have to color these pictures. Papaya, pumpkin, grapes and ladyfinger. You have to color all these pictures. Okay. Next, name the different dishes prepared in your home. Ask elders at home and know the ingredients, things used to prepare them. See children, in your home different dishes are prepared. Which are the dishes that are prepared in your home? Chapati, dosa, idli and rice, pulao, biryani. As I have told you, many dishes will be prepared in your home. You have to ask to your mama, ask to your elders and know what are the things which are used to prepare the dish. For example, to prepare chapati, you need wheat flour, right? Likewise, every ingredient which is required to prepare the dish will be known from your mama. So ask and know about it, okay? Identify the food grains your teacher shows. Teacher should show rice, dal, groundnuts. See children, this is about the grains. You should identify the different types of grains. Here some small song is there, you can sing and you can enjoy. Okay, so this is all about the lesson number 4 of EVS grade 1. If you want the other lessons, as I have told you, I have put it in the description box. You can refer from there, lesson number 1 to lesson number 3. And if you want the lessons of the upcoming next continuation of this, you can subscribe to my channel.